Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update for those that are on the May 2019 update. One of the things that is happening is that there is a few problems that are now reported with the last update for Windows 10 and the patch Tuesday. Now this affects only version 1903, and if you want to know if you're at that version, just go and type WinVer at the search in your search box, and this will give you the version number. So it affects people that are on build 18362.356 because that means you are on the latest patch Tuesday updates. And so that also means that you will want to check out what is a problem. If not, if you want to check out what version you have. If you have two common problems that are now reported. Start menu not working well, and search box maybe not working well. So these are things that you can actually check out. There is, if you have a frozen search box, if you have a frozen you can't really search for the Windows version, you can actually type just do Control Alt Delete and get your task manager running. In the task manager, you can also check out WinVer in the when you run commands. So if you have that, or if you have Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity problems, that's also been reported. Well, one update is responsible for this apparently. Go into your updates, into system, your settings, sorry. Go into update and security. Here, go into update history, and here you will see that there's uninstall updates. The problem is KB4515384. Uninstall that update. It will fix those issues. Now remember, this is a fix only available for version 1903. That's the May 2019 update. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.